Okay, this is still section 4.1, classical, empirical, and subjective probability. I'm going to go through question 8 a little bit slower than I did in the last video. So for the first question of the executives at this organization, how many earned $100,000 or more per year? Well, we have 7, 17, 21, 27, so that would only leave 1 here. So the answer to A is 1. For B, the probability of randomly selecting an executive who earned $100,000 or more per year. Well, for that one, we know that that would be 1 in that category out of 28. So 1 divided by 28. And when you get your answer, round to the third decimal place, so it would be 0.036. For C, the probability of randomly selecting an executive who earns $60,000 or more per year. $60,000 or more would be everything but the 4. So that would leave 24 out of 28 that earned $60,000 or more, and round that to the third decimal place. So that would be 0.857. For the last one, the probability of randomly selecting an executive who earned between $70,000 and $90,000. So that would be those two numbers, 10 and 4. So 14 out of 28, which would be 0.5. So that was question 8. And then the last question is question number 9 about coffee. And I have copied that over. So let's take a look at it. So for this one, we have the number of cups per day and the percentage of those adults that drink that amount. So for A, the percentage of adults that drink coffee is, so that would be anybody that would drink coffee, and we know that would be everybody but the 27%. So 100% minus 27% is 73%. Okay, the percentage of adults that drink 2 cups or more of coffee a week. So 2 cups or more a week. So obviously, let me get my highlighter. So obviously, 2 cups or more a day would definitely be 2 or more a week. 1 cup a day would be 2 or more a week. 2 cups a week would be 2 or more a week. 1 cup and do not drink would not be included. So if we add those 3 up, we would get 24, 66%. Okay, for C, the percentage of adults that drink 1 or 2 cups per week. So only 1 or 2. So let's think about that. If we drink 2 or more cups a day, well, we're drinking 14 cups of coffee a week. So definitely not included. If we drink 1 cup a day, well, that's 7 cups a week. So that would not be included. 2 cups a week would be included because we said 2 cups per week or 1. And then 1 cup a week. So those 2 categories there would add up to 15%. So that is your answer to question 9. So this is basically, we're just taking what we have observed and we're calculating our probability on those. So let me know if you have any questions.